So the problem, I got my stupid fuel pump's not working. So yeah, I'm not gonna go f***ing, basically I can start it. Basically, once I started, so I was letting it idle there to drain the flow poles. So I can only go fast for like 3 gears and then it's empty. So the f***ing fuel pump's not working.
You want to go back? I got some good footage of you.
Well, if you want, we'll do one, just do one more but by hand, I guess, just to me trying to speed off.
Just off of here?
Yeah.
Okay, let me land.
Yeah, I can't go fast enough, man. I'm just letting the gas get into the carbs right now. That sucks balls, man.
I got good video of you, though.
That sucks, man.
I got good video of you talking.
Yeah.
No, it was good.
Oh, I don't know. It sucks because I was out of gas before I even started, bud. Wait, you'll see it'll go a lot better now. Yeah, take your time because I'm waiting for the gas to go down into the carburetor. Yeah, it went off the line for that first couple seconds. It worked great. And then after that, it was done. It ran out of gas. You hear it sputtering? Yeah. And I don't think my vent's plugged too for some reason because the gas doesn't want to fucking... It didn't have any gas in it still, man. Like, it's not going in the fucking...
Strap it back up. We'll work with what we got.
Try one more. I don't know.
Fix the float.
It's not the stupid fucking pump.
Fix the pump.
Alright.
Yeah, it looks cool. It actually looks cool, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Fuck. Alright. Fucking thing, man. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this stupid fuel pump. It's fucking bullshit. Alright.